Zillow just dropped a bombshell. Home prices in over 200 cities are set to plummet in 2025. If you ignore this now, you could be walking straight into a financial catastrophe. Imagine waking up one day to find out your home's value slashed. Your biggest investment suddenly a liability. What forces are conspiring against homeowners? Stay with me because this could impact you more than you think. Zillow predicts home prices will plummet in 204 cities, a devastating blow to homeowners. Giants like New York, Houston, and San Francisco are on a chopping block. Picture a house of cards. One wrong move and the entire market collapse. If you own property in one of these cities, you cannot afford to ignore this. The hidden trigger behind this disaster? Let's find out before it's too late. Buyers' demand is declining, housing inventory is surging, and months of supply is hitting multi-year highs. Redfin reveals a staggering statistic. Housing supply has hit its highest level in 6 years. Imagine a tidal wave of homes crashing onto the market, overwhelming buyers and dragging prices down. And in Florida, the situation is spiraling out of control. If you thought home values were stable, think again. This could be the tipping point that sends prices into free fall. They say the numbers tell a full story, but do they? Before we dive in, let's ask, are these statistics really painting the full picture? Or is this something being left out? Orlando, inventory highest in 8 years. Los Angeles, above long-term average. Seattle, slowing market. San Diego, highest since 2019. Market trends don't lie. Data from trusted sources shows that while prices are rising in some regions, they are plummeting in Tennessee, Georgia, and beyond. Experts have analyzed the numbers, and the pattern is clear. Certain markets are headed for a downturn. It isn't speculation, it's backed by hard fact. The warning signs are everywhere. Even the media is now sounding the alarm. Sellers who ignore this warning may find themselves desperate to sell at a loss. If you think the market will bounce back quickly, think again. This downturn is only beginning, and waiting can cost you big time. The data is clear. Some markets are taking a major hit, and the numbers prove it. Housing experts have carefully analyzed the trends, and the results are undeniable. Which cities are feeling the squeeze the most? Let's zoom in and break down the hard facts. Phoenix, inventory surging, dragging prices down. Austin, prices already down 20%. Fort Lauderdale, record high inventory levels. A housing crash isn't like flipping a switch. It's more like a slow burning fuse where the spark starts small but eventually ignite an explosion. But economic data and historical trends tell us that certain mechanisms are preventing a total collapse. What's keeping prices from an all-out freefall? Experts have identified key stabilizing factors, and the answers might surprise you, so don't blink. Housing crashes don't happen overnight. Market cycles and buyers' behavior create a gradual shift. Only 5% of homes sell each year, so price drops take time. Studies show that economic downturns impact real estate in waves, and understanding this pattern is crucial for making informed decisions. Zillow claims to have a grip on the housing market, but how often have their predictions actually been right? This time their downward revisions raises more questions than answers. Are they finally admitting the truth, or is there something they're not telling us? Washington, D.C. is teetering on the edge of a real estate crisis, and few are paying attention. Thousands of homes are flooding the market, and with government layoffs on the rise, buyers are disappearing fast. If this trend continues, property values could collapse, leaving sellers scrambling to escape before it's too late. For more on this topic, you can watch my last video where I go into great detail. This is a golden opportunity. A shift in market means big chances for those who act smartly. Buyers, hold your ground. The best deals are just around the corner. Sellers, rethink your strategy. This could be your last chance to sell at a strong price before the market moves further. Don't get left behind. Stay ahead of the market and subscribe now and like the video if you found this helpful. Peace.